Hey you guys, what is up? What is happening? What is going on? Ashley over here with AHM Artistry, and I have to admit, lately I've been really bored with my hair. You know that feeling when you've just had the same hairstyle for a while and you're just kind of like, you want to switch it up, but you're not quite ready to make the commitment yet? Well, that's me. I've just been feeling really blah about it lately. So I was researching some different like hairstyles and like looks and stuff, and I came across some people that were using BOW scrunchies, and I thought that is so cute. And I happened to be at Claire's and I saw they have a ton of BOW scrunchies and little bow scarf scrunchie thingy-majigs. So I got to playing, I picked these up, and I just experimented with different styles and stuff, and I've been in love. Super cute. So I thought I'd put this little video together today where I do 7 easy BOW scrunchie hairstyles for you guys and show you the different techniques and stuff you can use. And I think a lot of these looks are so cute for summer, especially if you don't have to use any heat styling tools. You just throw it up in this cute little bow scrunchie. You feel put together, feel cute, and ready to go, and not sweating in your bathroom trying to get ready real quick. So we're gonna do that today. I'm gonna show you guys all that, and if you want to see all that, well then you know what to do. Sit back, hang tight, and keep on watching. So obviously, in order to achieve these looks, you're gonna have to pick yourself up some BOW scrunchies, or do it yourself if you're crafty and you like to sew and you're good at that. I saw there's a ton of videos on YouTube doing these BOW scrunchies yourself, and oh my goodness. Number one, I wish I knew how to sew. Number two, I wish I had a sewing machine so I could then sew my own, because they are so cute. But if you're not crafty, if you don't really have that inkling to want to do it, you can either go to Claire's and pick some up. That's where I picked up these that I'll show you guys. There are also beautiful ones on Etsy, so definitely check that out too. Now, I looked on Amazon. They looked a little I couldn't find any that were really cute. There were huge packs, huge collections for really cheap bargain prices, but it was really you had to pay attention because some of them were little cute toddler ones like this, which I picked some up at Claire's anyways, and then I like the bigger ones for this, but I am going to use some little ones today too to show you how to incorporate these. But the big ones have my heart. Pay attention to the style and size when you're shopping online if you are doing that, or if you have a Claire's nearby, you can check out that. Now, disclaimer about Claire's: if you go in stores, there is a wall that's for toddlers. That's where I first saw these, and I was like, oh, a little disappointed. And then I saw, like, I guess it's like either older teens or adults, whoever wants to wear them, had the bigger ones, and they even had these hair scarves too. How beautiful is that print though? Oh my goodness. Some of these came in bundles with regular scrunchies and then the BOW scrunchie also included. So shop around, check all that out. There are also some people on Instagram that sell them. I don't know how that works selling through Instagram, but there is this girl that I follow called The Blonde Curse, and she has some beautiful hair scrunchies that are bows as well. So cute. So we're gonna get started today. You might want some hairspray if you want to, you know, make it last, if you want to go that mile. I do have a couple elastics, and I'll show you why in a second, and a couple bobby pins for a hairstyle later on. You may need elastics and bobby pins though if you're working with thicker type of hair, something that needs a little more security than just a scrunchie. So think back to those scrunchie days and ask yourself, do I need to secure it with anything, or is it good all by itself? Also, I think some of these will work cute with shorter hairstyles too. Just, you know, all different lengths and fun and textures, different textures, lots of fun. So let's go ahead now and start with the easiest one, I think the most obvious one, which is the high ponytail. I have about a fine consistency of hair, but about a medium amount of it, just to reference. Now, I like to secure my high ponytail with an actual elastic because I like it to have a lot of volume and lift. So I'm gonna be doing that. If you want like a lot of lift in the front area, grab yourself a little comb and just do a little bit of teasing right at the front of the head, and then right before you would do your actual high ponytail. And then just gently smooth it out so you can't see any kind of like ratness situation. So I'm gonna flip my hair upside down and secure it with this elastic right here. Okay, and then I'm gonna smooth out these sides because I always get the little shark fin bumpies, as I've always called them. Now, I tend to be able to get a lot of lift from my elastic, so I kind of push it forward a little bit and then I pull it like that. Like a lot of fun, sassy lift, you know what I mean? And then I'm gonna pull my front sections, gently brush it. You can make it either as smooth or as messy as you want. That is how I like to do it though. And if I were to wear just this, I would spray it a little bit just to make it real stay. Now for this one, what color should we do? I have this cute little polka dotty one. I have this beautiful red one, the black one. Let's do this cute little gray one. So super florally, really cute. So obviously this is really simple. I'm gonna put the bow in the front and double wrap it like this. Pop that up so you can see it and then spread it all out. So I think this is super cute. Obviously so simple. Like I know I don't have to do a tutorial for it, but just in case you're wondering how to get that lift, because if I just throw this scrunchie in by itself, I ain't getting this lift, honey. It's gonna kind of like slowly sink until it's all the way at the bottom of my neck. So this is really fun, really cute, super summery, love it. So glad these are in style. Let's move on to the next. Now for the next one, I'm gonna do my high bun with my split bang situation. So I'm gonna separate it down the middle and then drop just a little bit of a section right here. Oh, my pieces are super long right now. Let me see if I can get some layerage. Yeah, just about that much. I have a whole top knot split bang video. If you want to see it, I will link it down in the description box and you can check that out too if you want to see how to do this like exactly. But I just drop these bangs down and then I flip my head upside down again and put it up into a pony. Okay, I'm gonna pull those pieces forward. You can even do this with a little scrunchie. It will be so cute. But I'm gonna gently back comb a little bit. If you have super thick hair, you don't really even need to do this unless you want to add a little bit of a texture. But if you have finer hair, oh my goodness, it makes you look like you have so much more hair on your head than you do. And then I'm gonna wrap it. I'm gonna make it nice and big, like that, right there. And I'm gonna secure that with a bobby pin. Again, if you want more detailed instructions, check out my split bang video. My little high bun right there. And let's add, this is cute. Ooh, let's do this cute little lavender polka dot one. I'm gonna put it off to the side. Oh, that is so cute, so fun. Yeah, that is super summery, adorable. I love it. And I would like curl these pieces just a little bit, but you can leave it straight too. Or if you have naturally curly hair, that would look really cute with little trendles, but so simple, so cute, love it. All right, now I'm gonna do some fun buns, some little space bun action. So you can either, let's do something different. Let's zigzag, kind of zigzag it all the way down. That's super fun. And if you have fine hair too, it helps it look a little bit thicker also. So again, I'm gonna secure with an elastic on each side. Okay, let's do some space buns. So I'm gonna do the same thing I did with that single bun and just gently back comb. Helps give that thicker texture, really pretty. And let's wrap it. Got our little fun buns. Now let's do, I don't have any that are like the exact same color, so let's mix and match. I have these black ones with the little flowers. Oh my goodness, I love this one. It's so cute. I will link the ones that I got from Claire's down in the description box if there's any that you just like are obsessed with. And then let's do this red one since there's red in that. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love this. Oh my goodness, I might need to get like a red, white, and blue one for 4th of July and do this style because I think that is so cute. And then you can even like drop down pieces if you want. Oh yeah, I like that even better. You can do like the full split bang too. Again, so many different options you can do. So adorable. Borderline like milkmaid, but also adorable at the same time. Okay, I'm like, this is like my new obsession. Bow scrunchie every video from now on. There we go. Okay, cool. I love it. Okay, moving on. So now we're gonna do side braid. You can either just part your hair wherever you like. You can either do it down the middle. I like to kind of like push it off to the side because I want it to be kind of like loosey-goosey, messy, almost like that rustic vibe, you know? I'm gonna bring everything to the side. Now, there's obviously a few different ways you can do this. I'm gonna do it the simplest way that I can, but still help it look put together. I might do like a more advanced video if you guys wanna see that later on. But for now, I'm gonna grab this little section and I found doing like, I'm not gonna do super complex, but a light French braid, like a little bit, helps with this. I mean, you could do like just one long braid and then put one little one on the end, but I'm gonna just take it a little step further, like a medium advanced type of way, not fully advanced, but keeping it easy. So I'm gonna gather this whole section all the way to the side, but I'm still dropping down all of this because I'm gonna French braid that part. A little bit, don't be scared. It'll be easy, trust me. So I'm gonna split it into 3 sections just like you would a normal braid. Obviously, whether this is easy or not depends on whether you can braid yet or not. If you're still practicing, then keep practicing. It'll come with time. And I'm just gonna do 1, 2, 3. So 3 sections. Now the one I just pulled, I'm gonna gather one little bit more and a little bit more from back here. Just sweep it on over. Okay, and then keep going. Don't worry. With practice, you'll get the hang of it. I had to throw one in there that was a little more complex, you know, gotta keep it interesting for you guys. Pull from the other side, pull it back, and then pick up one more section over here. Okay, and then we're gonna secure that. Now I have these little ones that again I got in the toddler section, so I'm gonna do, let's do this florally one. I'm gonna put it through and keep the bow in the front, obviously. I have to wrap that one 3 times and then make sure it's all poking out, and then I'm gonna continue to braid. So just make 3 new sections. So not too complicated, right? Right? And then just keep braiding that until right here and leave a little bit out. And again, keep the bow towards the front and wrap it as many times as you need to. Now, if I had really thick hair, if I wanted to wear extensions, oh my goodness, this is gonna look so cool. But even if you have more fine hair like me, it'll still work. You wanna start spreading out that braid that you did, because it creates that really cool texture, that like flat braid. I don't mind if a couple little pieces come through, and I can even drop down a couple pieces to make it more whimsy, you know? Just spread it out. And then same thing down here. Make it as thick as you want. And this is why it's good to leave a little bit of length, because when I'm spreading it out, it shortens the braid. Very textured, really cool and whimsy. And like I said, if you have thicker hair, oh my goodness, it's like a whole Rapunzel moment, depending on your thickness. Really neat. So there is that, and you can take it with all different directions. You could do the big bows, you could do hair scarves and it looks so cool. You can just do it from the middle. If you have some layers, just make sure to bobby pin that back. But that is a cute little side braid using the bow scrunchies. Oh, so cute. Now after that slightly complex one, I'm gonna give you guys a break and do like a super simple one. So we are gonna be doing a low bun situation, and no elastics, no nothing needed, again, unless you have really heavy, thick, coarse hair. Otherwise, if you have more fine, medium hair, you don't have to secure it with anything because it's about being loosey-goosey. So I'm gonna pick, which one? Let's do this red one again. It's super cute. And I'm just gonna put it around my wrist. Depending on where you want to part your hair, kind of get that started a little bit. I'll do the middle action, smooth back the crown of the head, and bring everything to the back, honey. Okay, now I will turn around so you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm just going to wrap it, keep the bow on top, and then twist again. And I'm just gonna do a little pull through bun, a little easy Beezy lemon squeegee, right? So easy. Okay, and that's not all. No, that's not all. So you know you have this cute little peekaboo in the back, so cute. Now if you want, you can loosen up some pieces. Just make it really effortless, kind of lift up from the bun, give it a more loosey-goosey vibe. Again, so many different ways you can pin this up. You can make it a more tighter wrap. You can braid it and then tuck it under and then put that little accent there. But so cute, especially if you're in a rush. Oh my goodness, because you look like you put so much time into your hair, but you literally took 5 seconds. So even if your hair was a little bit curled, a little texture, natural curl, this will look so cute. And even you can switch the side part, make it more whimsy. Oh, endless possibilities, honey, endless possibilities. Now we're gonna do a high, half up, half down little pony situation. This time though, I'm gonna be using my hair scarf. You don't have to use this scrunchy hair scarf. Love that they make them though. Oh my goodness, so cute. You can just use the bow if you want, or you can just bust out a regular scrunchie, whatever you wanna do, honey. So many possibilities. That's the theme of this video, endless possibilities. So I'm gonna obviously take my hair half up. I'm gonna make a little high half up situation. Let's do about to right there, because I want to let these pieces stay down. Smooth everything out so we don't have any sharp fins. Now I'm going to secure it with a hair elastic because I don't want it falling out throughout the day if I were to keep it. So pull everything through and pull this up forward. And again, to get that height, kind of separate it out like a slinky. I mean, this is a cute look all on its own, not gonna lie. I love this and I rock this often. So now I'm gonna go in with this hair scarf though, and make sure it's towards the front, and then wrap the back. I think I just need to do one time, and then split it, and kind of tuck the little pieces around, just so they kind of like, almost like it's a part of your hair, if that makes sense. Like, yeah, I just grow out ribbon from my head. So yeah, that's just like a little something different, something cute. I just love it. I feel like I want to be like, I don't know, on the Santorini beach, just relaxing, looking at my Vogue magazine. Ugh, that's what hair scarves remind me of. Hair scarves remind me of like a European vacation. Not that I've ever been on one, but they just give me that vibe. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Do you know what I'm saying? So super cute, or look at how easy and how cute a little bow would be instead. Oh, that would be so cute too. All right, we got one more look to do for this round. All right, now for my last and final trick, we're gonna be doing a low half up, half down. Again, you can do so many different looks. You can make it advanced, complicated, or just do super easy. This video says easy. We're gonna keep it easy just for you. So I'm gonna do a slight teasing because I don't have like the thickest hair. If you have super thick hair, you don't have to worry about this. And then just lightly smooth it out. I want to keep some little pieces out, and just about, no rhyme or reason, you don't need to be fancy. Depending on your thickness of hair, let's drop a little tiny bit more down. So we have to make sure we have enough on our lower section, you know? So it doesn't look like just like a pony with just a couple pieces sticking out. Let's bring this forward so we don't confuse it. And I'll turn around here and attempt to do it without any mirror in front of me. I'm gonna take this little black one, pop it right about here. Now I'm gonna check my front. I want it to be soft and loose. But if you have, again, super heavy, thick hair, I would secure it with an elastic first and then pop this in. So you can obviously keep it like this, super simple. Or you take it one step further. I literally can't see what I'm doing, so hopefully it's making sense. I'm gonna take just the section that we put the bow scrunchie through, and I'm going to braid just that section. I'm gonna braid it all the way down, bring it forward if you need to, and then I'm gonna add this little red one. Then I'm gonna do the same thing that I did when I did my side braid, and I'm gonna spread out this braid. Keep it nice and loosey-goosey. So we have this cute little rustic type of half up, half down braid with some cute bows added into it. Super cute. All right, you guys, so that is it for today's super simple, easy 7 hairstyles using a bow scrunchie. Now, like I mentioned really briefly in the video, if you guys want to see a more advanced hair tutorial situation where we use bow scrunchies, definitely give this video a like and comment that down below. That way I know that that's something that you guys are interested in. And for that matter, if there's any other long hair tutorials that you guys want to see, please comment that, because girlfriend's getting the itch to chop it off, which I can do some short hair tutorials if that happens, which is great, but then I won't have long hair unless I add extensions. So if there's anything else you guys want to see, definitely let me know. If this is your first time stumbling upon my channel and my face, then I would love it if you would consider going down and hitting that red subscribe button. That way you get notified when I post new videos, which is at least 3 times a week, and I do everything from makeup, skincare, and hair care, obviously, and everything in between. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope that every single one of you out there, every single one of you, have a great freaking awesome, wonderful, beautiful, scrunchified day.